Well, I told you guys this was going to add a tremendous new elevation to the SoftWash revolution. It was going to support our equipment in a whole new way. It was going to be absolutely groundbreaking, and it was going to become something that would help you view what we do here in soft washing in a completely different way. And what we have right here is we have a revolving platform. You guys thought it was a new piece of soft washing equipment. I tricked you guys, didn't I? But here at Interclean this year, we actually have a revolving platform with one of our SoftWash Systems trailers that we use over here in Western Europe, because the trailers work out really, really well for us. And what it does is allows a lot of people that already have cars and small SUVs to go ahead and trailer their SoftWash Systems equipment. And we've put it right here on this very, very cool revolving platform here at Interclean.